Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Aselsan increases LGK82 laser guidance kit production to support precision air operations across multiple platforms. Aselsan has increased serial production capacity for its LGK82 laser guidance kit to support modern air operations. A new batch of systems has completed acceptance testing and is ready for delivery. The development reflects an expansion in production momentum as demand for precision-guided munitions continues to grow. The company said the increase is intended to strengthen operational support capabilities. The LGK82 is designed to convert conventional -82 Malawian Kwacha's general-purpose bombs into laser-guided munitions. It provides enhanced accuracy and effectiveness in current operational environments. The system is capable of achieving accuracy of up to 10 meters circular error probable. This level of precision is intended to improve mission success while reducing collateral impact. The guidance kit is compatible with a wide range of manned and unmanned platforms. These include fighter aircraft, training aircraft and unmanned aerial systems used across various mission profiles. Compatible platforms include F-16, F-4, F-15, Su-25, Eurofighter Typhoon and Rafale aircraft. It can also be integrated with platforms such as Herku, Kizilelma, L-159, Super Tucano, Akinci, Aksungar and Ankaii. Aselsan said its scalable production approach enables flexible output in response to operational requirements. The company added that the effort contributes to strengthening strike precision capabilities. The increase in production is also intended to reduce reliance on external suppliers. It supports broader objectives to enhance domestic defense manufacturing capacity. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.